Lubricant is available.
Oh no, I made a mistake, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Now it's available. And how much? You know what? I'm not happy with this. It's too slow. It is too slow. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go crazy with lubricant. Yes. Yes, I did that. Okay, now that we have lubricant, we need motors or engines, and then we need electric engines. We produce a lot of these already. Where? Let me show you. Here. For the, look how many of these we have. We produce these for blue science, of course, but I think at this point in the game, we can afford to starve the blue science a little bit more. You are going to produce sulfuric acid and 1 iron, 5 sulfur. Okay, I'm going to make a few of these. We're good. And the good thing is that we do not need to babysit this or keep watching it. We can just leave it be because everything behind this is the beauty of Factorio. You design something in a way that does not need you to sit there and control it, and then you leave it. And when you come back, it's only better. The only thing you actually need to worry about in this game is the resources that run out. But even this one is gonna be much better once we set up our train network. Sulfuric acid is good. And what is the next step? Batteries. Okay, so batteries are made up of copper, iron, and sulfuric acid, and this is slowly starting to become unbearable because we have copper, but iron, I don't think so. Should I build this all the way over to here? That can solve a lot of problems, you know. Let's go take a closer look. I need to make a tiny road. What is this? Oh, we had a slight iron problem. We do not have enough iron, and oh my god, what is wrong with this factory? Where's our power? Yeah, we are in a very dire situation. Crisis management. There is barely any coal on this line. Now it seems better. And the reason was our power was here. Yellow, well into yellow, almost red, because we were straining it way too much. And I think the reason is because I expanded way too much before adding a second column of steam engines. The problem is this much iron is not gonna support us into the robotic era. So what we need to do, we went to this site and we checked out this area so we can tap into this, but then we realized there's another one. Another ore patch, iron patch here. So I went inside and tapped into this, and I'm going to show you later. It's 20 something. Can I see that on the map? Oh yeah, 24 iron ores per second, which we're going to build back into our base using the red belt. And then we're going to smelt them, not using the legacy furnaces, these steel furnaces, but hopefully we can smelt them using electric furnace. Yeah, that's gonna be okay. And these were the emergency supplies, remember? So now they work, and we make them the emergency supply again. And feed it to our battery making company. Factory, I mean. Because it needs these two and sulfuric acid. So, how do we do this? And each of these batteries we're going to use to, batteries will turn into robot frames. 2 of these will become 1 robot. So how much? How many? 28, 27, 30. This is enough for 15 robots. That's good. That's amazing. These 2 are 1 robot. These 2 are another robot. Isn't that magical? I need engines, and for engines I need steel. I need 2 things that are iron derivatives. So this line's full, right? And then we're gonna belt in some other items, perhaps like this. 2 things go this way, these 2, and then this is the output. Yeah, seems like a relatively good design for now. And then this is going to be our power pole. Electric engine units are online. Amazing. Now, these are very valuable. And the throughput, the speed is so low. So we're going to just put them in a chest for now. I want to buffer them until we make some meaningful factory for our flying robot frames. We finished by making different engine units, and we wanted to create only 8 flying robot frames, 8 factories, but I decided why not just double that and go with 16, because we can support it based on our production right now. So we can have a lot of robots fast. And what do these assembly machines take? Steel, batteries, green circuits, and electric engine units. We have everything on 2 mixed belts, and now we're gonna connect them. Let's go. And so it begins. The journey into robotics. Now, we have two output lines here. And we're gonna just bring these two together. And what are we gonna do here? Well, first of all, we're gonna make a buffer, because at this point everything needs a buffer. Later on, not so much, but right now we're gonna make a buffer. Okay, so beautiful. We have these. Each of these potentially is a single robot. 16 so far. Not bad, not bad. How many per second? Let's check it out. Well, half a robot per second is not bad. That means one robot every 2 seconds. That means 30 robots a minute. That's a lot. The problem is we cannot support all those robots with this power plant situation, because we're barely surviving. We're struggling with power. So we definitely need to tap in some other coal mines around here and scale up. Talking of which, the pollution is also going a bit rampant, and we need to do something about it before it reaches to these biters. We need the black science pack, the military science pack, and we need to push these back or destroy them or do something about them. And in order to do that, we need the military science pack, because I want to have the tank to be able to deal with those enemies with class, if you know what I mean. All right. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.